We are filming. We are filming Cooking Cousin, but I don't know where my other cousin is. Where is she?
I'm right here. What's up, girl? Y'all know the vibes. It's Cooking Cousin time, baby. Cause I'm Kamaya.
And I'm Erin.
I don't like the energy. I'm Kamaya.
And I'm Erin.
And we are the Cooking Cousins. Okay, guys, look. So, you know we usually cook a little cookie and a little cupcake and a little. What else we cook? Nothing that's good.
Meatballs.
Well, meatballs are good, but
Meatballs.
baby, today we are chefing it up.
Some mozzarella.
What we making
I
today?
say mozzarella stick.
I'm making shrimp Alfredo. Okay, for real. I need you to do the shrimp. You're gonna season it.
Okay.
So let's get with it.
What?
What do you? Black pepper. No, we gotta put that. It's not gonna. Girl, don't flip that. Cause one thing about it, you need black pepper. You need pepper. You need pepper. We need a little.
It's spicy.
It ain't spicy. You're not gonna even know that.
Spicy.
Girl, you just took my ear and turn around and focus. Okay, you know what? I do it myself.
No!
I'm gonna have to. You need a little. It's not gonna be spicy. You gotta trust me. I got this. Girl, I've been cooking longer than you've been born. What's up? Focus. Okay, so seasoned salt. This is Lowry. You need a little Lowry, y'all. Okay.
I wanna.
We got Tamika. I'm gonna help you. We got Tamika Spot. She got her seasons, y'all. The seafood. That's super double. Wait a minute. That's so much. Oh Lord. Wait a minute. Oh God. Okay, so look, you wash your hands. Let's wash our hands right quick. Hurry up, because it's too much, Lord Jesus. Too much. I don't got time for that. Yeah, guys. I don't want to show y'all how much she put in here, but let's just say I'm not gonna add any more until she comes back. Wash them with soap. Okay, so I'm gonna season the broccoli. Y'all want to show y'all? I'm gonna show y'all. You know what? This you're not Cooking Cousins, but it's a lot. Okay. So anyway, we're gonna do season of the broccoli. And when she comes back, that's enough. That's enough, Heiress. This is all purpose to me. I need a little box, because you know I be chefing for real, but I need a little one too. With your hands, because that's so much. And I showed them too while you had your back turned. Because
I heard you.
I know, but they ain't see me, because baby, you should see what was Flip, I need you to get, we finna get down and dirty. I need you to go in. I need you to go in. We ain't doing that prick. We need you to go in.
Oh my God.
Because you will, look how much. God, this is a lot, okay? We're gonna continue to season a little bit, okay? Just like a tad, okay? That's enough, that's enough. So you don't like broccoli? For real?
No.
Why? Let's talk about it.
I used to.
I know you do. But what happened? Because you've only been living 6 years, so I'm trying to figure out in the 6 years that you've been on earth, when did you decide that you don't want broccoli?
I stopped.
Why did you stop? And who said stop? It stopped. Why did you stop for real? Broccoli is going in the pasta and I want you to figure it out.
I just stopped.
Why though? You don't just stop stuff. What made you like
I'm
really
gonna
encourage?
eat this because it smells good.
I'm gonna put broccoli in it. I can.
Yes.
So now you eat broccoli
I'm gonna
again.
just dig it out.
We need to see.
And I lost a tooth.
What your tooth at?
And there's another tooth growing under the sun.
Well, that's the luxury. If I lose, you know what happens when I lose a tooth? At my age, it ain't coming back. I don't have that on the side now. But if the front tooth, I ain't gonna go around nobody. Let's focus. So we got Tamika Scott. Okay, boom. I think you didn't put none in here. Do not put a lot.
Nah.
Just a little bit, like a little dab. Your dabs is, you might do a little D, because your dabs is dabbing. I don't need that. This, let's check on the water. We're gonna use fettuccine noodles, guys. We're getting Cooking Cousins ain't playing with y'all. These please come.
This time I just put a little bit.
Okay, let me see. Okay, do a little more. Perfect. I'm excited because this is our first like real meal. And
But the meatballs were good though. Oh, if
we
the
didn't cook
meatballs,
10 things and the meatballs is the only thing. Oh, French toast is good.
if we would have put the meatballs in this, that would be great.
Do you use ground turkey for, huh? Girl, she is
It's
silly.
alien language.
You an alien? Because I need to go there. You an alien, I'm gone.
No, I just know alien language.
How do you know alien language if you don't, not an alien?
One of my alien friends taught me.
I might have some alien friends too that I think about it. What do that consist of? I might have one or two. I probably done dated an alien before, okay? The alien, go back to that. I need to talk about that a little bit.
I'm not an alien.
I know you're not, but how you know you got alien like people that you know?
Oh, they're not on Earth. I just went to space to see them. Like yesterday.
You went to space yesterday and you back already?
Mm-hmm.
You the first kid to go to, like, what? Man, I'm so glad you're my cousin.
And I know how
some powerful people.
I made my own rocket ship.
What? Oh my God. Girl, you need to be. I can't believe I know you. You about to get rich. Don't forget about me. Okay?
I won't.
Okay, you ain't. What you gonna say? That's my cousin.
I'm gonna say, beep boop. I'm gonna call my alien friend Abby Booby.
Abiba Booby.
That means hello. Can you please come over to my planet?
Abiba. I can't wait to go
Abiba
to the
Booby.
club and say people. I can't wait to say it to somebody. People choopy, y'all. You heard it here first. Okay, so look. So we have our season, guys. Do a little mashup again.
Again?
Yeah, do a little mashup. I got the broccoli going. We got it seasoned. So what we're gonna do now, we're wetting our noodles. We need some garlic bread.
No.
Why? A garlic roll or something. We need a little yeast.
Wait. Tell me in the comments what's your favorite fruit because I love cherries.
So bring your stool over here. You're gonna put the shrimp in. We're about to go by fire, okay? At the end of the day, when you're with your little people in the kitchen, make sure that they have a stool. Show them your stool. Okay, be careful.
No, do I pour it in?
You know what? We're not gonna pour it in, actually. You washed your hands, correct? Wait, we need, be careful. All right, hear a little sizzle. So now we're gonna step, girl, first of all, she's scary.
Now what are we gonna do?
We're gonna talk about school, because you started back.
It's been boring.
Why is it boring?
I'm just kidding. It's been pretty fun.
What grade you in? First grade?
And we do Would You Rather, and we have to pick something, and they make us do exercises.
Really? So would you rather, ask me a question.
Would you rather eat banana popsicles
Oh girl,
Or-
whatever you finna say, a snail.
Or-
I'd rather eat a snail.
or eat vanilla ice cream?
Vanilla ice cream, easy. Okay, let me ask you a question. Would you rather spend the day with Princess Elsa
Okay.
or the girl from Encanto?
Meryl?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Elsa. I think you gonna freeze me. So I'ma go with Mary Baby. Goodbye and goodbye. Okay, I'm coming back.
Wait a minute, what? What was it? I'm sorry, Elsa. What accent was that? She has so many different accents,
It's
y'all.
my funny accent.
Because she said, where you say you from?
America.
Y'all, this little girl is the funniest 6-year-old I know, and I love her so much. Come on, guys. Oh, here. Okay, guys, we had a little 1-2 happen. Thankfully, she wasn't over here, because that was a lot.
Aladdin or Prince Hans?
Prince Hans for sure. He's fine. He's still fine now. I watched it the other day. I was like, he's so fine. Girl, you are silly. Have you been singing lately? What's up? Have you been singing? That girl had some silly juice. I think she had silly juice before we started, y'all. And she's turning red.
I'm singing it, okay?
Okay. Where do you come up with this stuff? Just in your hair?
My alien brain.
Wow. Okay, so we got the shrimp going. We're gonna make our homemade sauce, y'all. When I take the shrimp out, I'm not gonna tell you how to make it because you need to know how to make it. We don't do no jars. We do homemade around here. You feel? Oh, we got a guest. We got a guest, guys, on the show.
Shout
Here we
out
are.
to my mother.
Shouts out to my auntie. You know we usually give.
Shout out to Hunter too, because
Just
why
shouts
not?
out. Shouts Shouts out to all the family. Everybody, we love all y'all. Thank you so much for watching this and supporting us, man, for real. But look though, you know what we usually cook, right? You know what we usually give? We give a little cookie. We might throw on a little, what else? Come on. What we cook?
Nasty cookies.
Nasty.
Girl,
You remember the first?
I'm talking about we cook good. What you like that we cook?
Meatballs.
We made some meatballs and they were so good, but today, baby, we are
Yeah.
Don't play.
Them shrimp didn't got no seasoning on it.
Well, your daughter did that.
Too.
I'm
You
gonna
didn't
go
know.
I'm gonna go
I did put some seasoning on it.
What can you put on there?
She put a lot of seasoning. Actually, I had to. Yeah, she
I
put
put a
seasoning.
lot of it.
She put a lot of that. Mm-hmm.
Let your mama get it. Let me.
Go ahead. Okay.
Mama, I did some of these.
Okay, I'm doing a little more, okay? These
Mama.
shrimp look so white.
You want me to tell you how to say goodbye and
Oh, she said she
An
went to
alien
alien. She got
language?
alien friends or something.
Oh, let me tell you what one of my favorite seasonings.
What?
This right here. This is
Oh!
like salt, pepper, and garlic.
We used the Tamika Scott. We used a little, you know.
Yes.
We used her all-purpose. We used
Okay.
her seafood. We did a little one too now. Don't ever play with us.
Oh, I'm gonna make y'all. You want me to make y'all some of Tamika Scott little drinks? Like
Ooh.
not you.
Oh, I'm gonna say.
I'm sorry, but it's,
I
make
said it for her.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
That's why you always looking at. I love you,
This is
girl.
little Tamika Scott. Okay.
She got some
Yeah,
drinks?
see, Tamika Scott thing put a little color in it. That's what I want.
Mama.
Seasoning.
Mama, have you ever met my alien friends?
Your alien friend.
Oh,
Yeah.
You met your
I
alien friend, sweetie.
I built a rocket ship under this house. Okay, so this is how you say hello.
Okay.
I never told you.
Oh. You gotta sing it? I think you should
No.
sing it.
Yeah, okay. I'm
Okay,
gonna sing
sing
both
it.
of them.
Okay, let's go.
See ta we.
I do not think that is definitely not hello, baby.
It's an alien.
Ooh, how you say?
That's an alien.
Hey, she
talk.
got alien friends, and I asked her how you know you alien friend. How you? Cause I got some problem.
I went to space.
Okay, well, I won't step in. I know this is cooking.
Exactly.
And nothing to do with me. But this shrimp looks so much better. Let me
It do look better. Okay, you did your thing when it comes to the shrimp, guys.
I would have done a little more, but I don't know what y'all had already did. Well, let me do a tasting.
She put a whole lot, but it may not. The season.
Is it good?
It's real season. It tastes pretty good, though.
Can I taste?
Yeah, man.
I'm about to do that, and
That
then
tastes pretty good.
Okay. We gotta cook the broccoli, and we gotta make the
I
sauce.
knew what I was doing.
Yes, you did, and I love that, baby, because you did that, honey. Plate up. We about to finish up and just serve the family. This is dinner tonight, and I'm so excited because they just tasted some shrimp. What is the shrimp giving?
The shrimp is
Right.
giving.
What is it giving?
Great.
Great.
And I'm about to get another one.
Put some of this.
We don't need no more of that.
I'm just gonna sniff it. Mmm.
I ended up putting some more shrimp in here because we didn't have enough, and everybody like, we want to try. So we got some broccoli that I added some more and some more shrimp. But I made the Alfredo sauce with some heavy whipping cream. I got some minced garlic. I used some Parmesan cheese and a shredded kind. Literally, what else I used? Minced garlic, shredded cheese,
Shredded cheese.
and then we ain't got no shrimp.
Mom saying all that.
Thank you. You want shrimp?
Yes, the shrimp.
Try the broccoli. It's good. It's hot. You're gonna have to blow it.
I'ma just dig
We're
in.
gonna do it together. Get a noodle. You gotta get a noodle.
I gotta get a noodle.
Yeah. Right. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2,
You
3.
about to do it without me. Try to get a noodle.
Just slurp it, yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Mmm.
Cooking Cousins is stepping it up, baby. Don't play with us. Don't play with us.
Those noodles are so good.
Cooking Cousins, baby. Cooking Cousins, baby. We made some pasta, baby. Y'all. This what the pasta made her do. We made some pasta today, baby. Cooking Cousins ain't making no cookies and no cupcakes no more, baby. We doing pasta, baby. Don't ever play with us. That's what it make you do. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're about to go and tell the family that the food is ready. It's about that time.
So good.
For us to go. Literally. No, mine. Hold on. Don't eat it.
My name's Kamaya. My name's Heiress.
Wait a minute. My name is Kamaya.
And my name's Heiress.
And we are the Cooking Cousins. So we love you until next time, y'all. You know it's always a fun time.
Yes.
Like and share.
Bye. Share.
Like and share, guys. Because guess what? I'm Kamaya.
And I'm Heiress.
And we are the Cooking Cousins.
With a mom.
With the mom/auntie.
Cooking mom.
Cooking family.
This is the Cooking family.